have a humble request. I'm not asking for donation. Instead, please purchase my book and support me. One of my book is this one, Python programming, and this is the another one for Arduino. The link for the both books are in the description below. The title of the books are Python Programming for Kids and Arduino for Kids. Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you have a great day and a great week. In this tutorial, we are going to learn about string concatenation, len function, lower function and upper function. Let's get into the subject. Now, let's come to the first topic, string concatenation. Concatenation is nothing but to merge two strings. Plus is used to operate to concatenate the strings. Example, wait, I'll just show you the example. A equal to hello. Next, B equal to guys, welcome, and C equal to A plus B. Now print C. Now let's see the output. See here, it has joined, but here there is a minus. See here, there is no gap between hello and guys. If there is, it will be good, right? So now let's see how we can do it. So first, now plus C, we have to only change the C. So A, here we have to use space, A space plus space, double quotes, space, and here plus. Now if you see here, now the gap has come, that is the space. Now let's go to the next topic, which is len function. Len function brings the length of the string. Example, writing Ashwad double quotes. Now print open bracket len open bracket A. Now let's see the output. See, there are 6 letters in my name, which is A is the first one, R is the second, S is the third one, and H is the fourth one, and A is the fifth one, and D is the 6th one. And also now we'll try how to do len function using variable. Now A equal to Arshad and B here I didn't give equal to, and here equal to is len open bracket a. Now let's see the output. Yeah, I didn't tell to print it. Print open bracket b. Yeah, now we see the output is 6, which is the length of my name, which is Ashad. Now let's come to the next topic, which is lower function. Now Ashad open bracket. Yeah. Now lower function is a method that converts the given string to lower case. Example, wait, I'll show how it works. Now, sorry, not name. Print open bracket a dot lower open bracket. Yeah. Now if I run means, see, wait just a second here. Yeah. Yes, see my name here I have written everything in capital, that is uppercase, and here this is in lower case. Now in this program the string in Ashad is converted to lowercase. The usage of in this program, many before starting a YouTube channel, I taught Python programming for my friends. One of him, what he did is, he thought that this is the statement, this we can't change it, so he gave name. He just did like that, and he is texting me that it's not working. So here a, this is the variable name. Here a is the variable that holds the string actually. So if you are giving name, means you have to give name, you can't change it. Now let's come to the upper function. The upper function, as you know, the upper function is a method that converts the given string to uppercase. Is now there's no much there's no more the program for the lower function and the upper function is actually very similar. See, first you give lower, now you just give upper, finish. See here, wait just a second. Yeah, see, the word my name is in a small lowercase and this is in a uppercase. This is how this upper function works. I hope you understood everything clearly, and if you have any doubts, means please leave it in the comment box, and meet you in the I'll see you in the next video. Bye. And before ending up, if you are not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe, and and hit the bell icon.